All right, today I'm replacing the stock sleeves in these hinges right here. So back at our club Christmas party, I won a set of TMR custom, I think it's like Delron plastic sleeves. So you get rid of this. The corrosion, it gets kind of difficult, so I'm going to remove this foot peg and this side mirror. Then I'll use that tool and the pliers and knock these sleeves out. I already did the passenger side. Pretty nice. You end up with a nice plastic sleeve right there. So I changed both of them and put the side mirror back in. So I'll do, obviously there's 8 of them to do the entire Jeep, and I'll change them all. So a good look at the stock. Basically, the kit comes with this tool. So you put the tool underneath there with a set of pliers, and it'll bang this piece of metal all the way through the hinge, and then you just tap down the new one. So I'm gonna do that right now. You just hit them right up like that, and it removes it nice and easy. Look at that. You can take it right out. You have this plastic sleeve right here. It's kind of nice. You just start it, take the pliers, tap that down. No corrosion, no problem. Easy install of your doors. I'll do that bottom one. Well, you get the idea. You just kind of line that up. Look at that one. That one came out real easy. Yeah, this is kind of like an aluminum or something. They're pretty fragile, kind of crappy, a lot of corrosion. So the plastic's the way to go. Just take the tool out of there. Go drop the new sleeve in. There's the new sleeve. Kind of get that started. Tap it down, no problem. Okay, rear door's off. I'll look at the stock sleeves right here. Gonna use that tool and pound both of those. See all the corrosion. That one actually fought me pretty good. Look at that shit. Change that out, knock that tool out, and get the next sleeve out. All right, both corroded sleeves out, pretty nasty. We'll put the new Delrin, it's like a hardened plastic sleeve in there. No corrosion, no problem. Easy to pop the doors on and off without any issues in the future. Okay, you can see it's TMR Customs part number 1004. And that's for a 4-door JK with the tool. Okay, you can see that. This one I'm struggling with, but just a lot of corrosion. But I'll knock that out, and then the bottom one. This is the passenger rear, and then we'll put the new sleeves in. Get the corrosion, yeah. So I had recently took this rock rail off, so that makes it easier for me to use the tool to get this out. But I'll finish pounding this out and put the two new sleeves in. There we go. Passenger rear sleeves. Look how shitty these things are. These are going. We'll put the new sleeves in. Odds that I had just a little bourbon left. And this freaking crazy moth of some sort kamikazed himself into this glass, immediately got intoxicated, and died. Okay. Job complete. Look at that, huh? Nice new sleeves. That side's all set. That's the driver front. Nice. 10-minute job, easy peasy.